you're experiencing issues with Red Dead Redemption 2 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the update issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or devices to confirm that your network is functioning. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game's installation folder and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your console or PC is up to date with the latest system updates. Sometimes, game updates require the latest system software to function correctly. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the update issue in Red Dead Redemption 2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.